Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The performance of the agriculture, fisheries and forestry industry improved for the third quarter in 2022. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin in its latest release says gross domestic product for the sector grew by 17% compared to 2021. The improvement was due to a 17% growth in the sub-industry other agricultural crops. Traditional export crops moved up by 16%. Now within the other agricultural crops sub-industry, vegetables and root crops were the main contributors to growth, increasing by 18.6% for vegetables and 15.9% for root crops. There was also an 11.6% rise in the total area of vegetables harvested, indicating an improvement in vegetable production locally. Meanwhile, growth was recorded for the group animal farming, largely due to an increase in broiler production and the rearing of pigs and cattle. Statin says this was mainly due to a rise in demand as the economy continues to recover. To some company news now, VM Investments has increased its stake in Kingston Properties. The company acquired 135.5 million KP REIT shares at a total value of just over $1 billion Jamaican dollars. VM Investments now holds a 23% stake in KP REIT, making it an associate company of VM. VM Investments expects to benefit from dividend income as well as participation in the strategic direction of KP REIT going forward. And the first currency trading session for the year ended with the US dollar selling for an average $152.60. $110.90 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $181.73 for the pound, while it's costing an average $163.23 for the euro. And today's stock trading session saw the JSE index gaining 342 points, while the junior market index fell by 38 points. Among the winners were Sterling Investments, JMMB Group's 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, General Accident Insurance, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, while the losers included Stanley Motor, Access Financial Services, Wigton Wind Farm Ordinary Shares, T-Tech and Lasco Financial Services. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.